Morning.
Morning.
Top of the day.
Top of the morning to you.
Oh, good morning. So we're a little tardy. Got to get some stuff up and running first, but we should be good. Howdy. Morning. What's up? Let me check one more thing. We'll go ahead and get started. This. Morning. All right, there we go. All right, got my tea, got my disclaimer on the screen. Can everyone see my screen? I'm gonna make sure that everything's working right.
Yeah, man.
Ooh. All right. Let's go ahead and get started, get into it. So let everyone know that here at 4WealthyMinds, we're not financial advisors. So any trades that you take or anything that you do on here, anything that you see on here is strictly for educational purposes only. All right. We don't trade anyone's money. We don't touch anyone's money. Only thing that we do is offer education. That is it. I'm here with my partner in Pips today. Go ahead, introduce yourself, guys.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy Super K.
All right, Super K, what's up? And what's your name today, boss?
Is the one, the only Mr. Bricks, aka Stack'em, aka 100 pennies make a dollar, aka 4WealthyMinds entrepreneur, aka one half of Brick Nation, aka let's get it.
That's good. You said Sounders call waiting since yesterday. Really? Well, cool. I appreciate it.
Jay, let's get this money.
Hey, man. All right, cool. I'm gonna get rid of this. Let me look at this news real quick. Make sure I got the right one up. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday, of course, we had a holiday, so we really didn't do anything. We were just chilling. We already had Aussie bank rate come out. Let's see, we got some stuff at 9:45. Real stuff at 10, and some stuff later on today. Some more. Aussie got a lot of stuff going on, so Aussie might be moving and stuff today. We got nothing else for the web. I know we do. Look at that. Some red folders, some orange folders. Let me see. Thursday. That's probably gonna be pretty big for a euro. And what we got on Friday? Yeah, unemployment rate. Cool. We got some things that can move the market this week. Main thing we kind of gotta pay attention to is that 9:40, probably 9:40, 10 o'clock time on USD pairs. But I'll let people in. This whole thing is, we're just gonna look to see if we can find some trades, some setups. I'll do my little thing because my babies, my U30, my NAS. Most of the time I wait until the market open. But we did kind of getting a little bit late over here. We had some reaction off of this. Should be clean. Off that 15-minute area. 5. Let me look at this real quick on the high times. Okay. I think probably have to go up to go down because everything is still riding down pretty heavy. We looked at this last week, and I was like, "Yo, this is that complex." And I still kind of think that it is until it isn't. We had this go up, down, up, pull up here, and I still think we're trying to ride down. We haven't even broke below here yet. I mean, broke above yet to change my mind.
Look like that red dot about to come in.
Yeah.
The pullback that's occurring. See on the daily pullback.
Like that red dot look like it's trying to form.
Look at the daily. Boom.
Yeah.
Red dots convert. Finally crossed below the zero. Now you got a little buy, so it's a 4-hour buy. That's probably up. Blue dot.
Not even. Crazy. Oh yeah, you're talking about with the blue dot right there.
Crazy. What are you talking about? So blue dot, I love it. I'd love it if it tests, I guess, curves in institutional candle, which probably might be the 3650 or the 200. Look at all that imbalance sitting right there.
Yeah.
So you see it finally crossed above the 0 line on the 1 hour. So I think it's more juicy to look for a sell wave to pop off pertaining towards that. As soon as that market open, let it go ahead and do that little jump up.
Yeah.
And go down. See how funny it is? The more you zoom in, you gotta be cautious yeah, exactly. You gotta be cautious that you don't get caught in the wrong way, because if you were like in the minute and not knowing that the overall trend is a downtrend, get caught up.
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's always knowing about when you want to get out pertaining towards it, because you see it's about to test maybe that 200 in relationship towards that. Peep the 5 for me real quick.
Yeah, the 5 minute.
5's above it, ain't it?
Oh yeah, 5's going up. Everything's all the other 5, 15, 30, 1
See
hour.
that?
That stuff
See
staying
that
up.
byway? So even if someone was to enter it, that stop below there or whatever, you gotta be cautious, and either you ride that 5 minute dot to dot, or you make sure that you're aware that, okay, I'm looking to test maybe that 15 minute 200 EMA, or I'm riding that 30 minute, was it 30 minute blue dot? 30 minute blue dot? Bam, riding that 30 minute blue dot till it gets to the next dot. All that type of stuff. But that's a little small talk.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking probably because it's done in the past already a couple times. We had a high and it just peaked above it. We had something like this and say, oh, let me just grab a little bit and then take the drop. So I'm thinking up to here, or maybe even up to here and then trying to drop again. I mean, when it tanks, that overall momentum, it's just shoo, straight down. It's been doing it. Go up a little bit and then drop. And then let me go up a little bit, work my way up and then drop. So thinking the same thing. Got some buys, but longer term is that sell. And the same thing should be on the NAS. This up real quick.
A twofer?
NAS looks like it's trying to already make a little bit, but let me look at my 4. Actually, let's go to the week. Yeah, same exact thing.
Yep.
So boom, 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 boom.
On the side note, yes, Miami Mel, I read your request. Multiple MACDs on the same chart.
Oh yeah, the thing that you got.
It's been heard.
Yeah, I'm thinking exact same play, basically. This is what everyone want to do more. Or you can hit them both. You 30 in NAS. Got this up here. Let me move this. And if y'all see anything or whatnot, drop it in the chat if you got anything you're looking at. We'll definitely take a look at it. It's going through, but I normally trade.
Your babies.
Funny because years ago, I was like, nah, I'm never touching none of these.
Yeah, I remember.
I love it.
That's all I do every morning. Yeah, I mean, same process. Thing came up, grabbed some, drop, stumbled his way up back into this area, drop. I'm thinking the same thing. Either that, or it's just going to tank over. Now it's giving me that red dot. So now I see a blue dot, I'll be thinking buys. Yeah, that's all I got right now. Most of the stuff I'm gonna be waiting until market open in about a little bit less than an hour. I mean, a little bit more than an hour. AU do the same thing, and then let's stand on a curve. Take the screen, more of the currencies. AU, EU. I think that's curve. I think that's one of your favorites, isn't it? AU, EU.
Yeah, that's one of the founding 7.
Like how you put that.
USD lovers.
Yeah.
What am I looking at? Look at my dots real quick. Dot connect dot. I think maybe about to pull back on some of these areas. There, we got this little thing is messing with. Gotta break past this first. I mean, as long as it don't work above this line, I'm still thinking short. I mean, above this high. Okay. Yeah, a little bit of something up here, so maybe more so right there. See this 4 hour lightning bolt. Got another red dot trying to come in. I still see like this. Maybe some up in here. Go down lower. Let's take a look at that curve. Would you stop looking? Sorry for going fast for anybody that might be brand new, but this is what we're trying to actually find some stuff. So we gotta
Do we have
mark
anybody?
up. Say it again.
No, I was wondering if we have anybody brand new.
We might, or, you know, someone might watch this recording or something like that when we put it up on YouTube or something.
Oh, true. You're right. You're right. You're right.
Just looking, hunting.
Wait, we recorded?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, look at that. We live.
This month. Hope it's recording. Now you got me wondering. Yeah,
No,
I'm
no,
sure.
we did. I got the little announcement thingy.
Yeah, I see. I had that. And that is way
Recording
up
in
there.
progress.
Yeah, that thing.
Mhm.
I just got my blue dot in the comments. So that's making me thinking a little push up. We gotta look at that currency strength, but I'll let y'all do that. You're the experts at it.
Let me do that. That's what sorry. That's a good look like saying.
I was about to say, you said y'all the experts. I was like, who?
Yeah, I mean, I still see now. Just we gonna get a little push up to one of these zones, maybe even up to here before tanking back down. That's trying to roll over. Let me look at this 1 minute. See the little 5 minutes on. Take a shot for it. Yeah, leave that. That's no markup. I like that one. That's more people coming in. Cool. What else we got? EU.
What?
I'm going to be the same thing.
I'm seeing a lot of divergence between EU, GU right now. GU is stupid bullish right now, but EU looks bearish. However, it's a lot of caca going on.
What kind of line is that?
I need to grab that and look for this. Just real quick. So it's way back there. When was this?
88? Oh.
02? Yeah, we broke parity. I was like, didn't we do that a couple months? Yeah, we did them 3 months ago and pulled back, and now back down past it.
Like consolidation. Yeah.
Went boom, pulled right back up, came up in here, dropping again. Mess around with this. Just 4 hour. Right there. What is that called? That redistribution, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. With the give my smart money talk. Equal lows. Relative equal lows. Where we at? That went up and down in there. Right now trying to come in. Boom, that's coming in there. Yeah, I see that maybe pulling back up into some here and then trying to push it down some more. This bam up in that zone. Here, 15 at. That's all it's to it down. We got a little bit of here. We got on the 5. Yeah, we got a bunch of different areas. We just need a reaction. Say, all right, time to talk back over. Because even from here, I'm on 15. First kind of went up, came back over to here. Just need an excuse to topple over. Look at that currency strength. Yeah, that's all I'll be doing for this.
Go 1 minute.
Say it again.
Go 1 minute. Take a peep. Take a peep.
Like a red dot, yeah.
I'd want a sell wave. I'd put
like
a sell wave for me.
It's something like.
Yeah, that's why I want the sell wave.
Yeah, because he'll give you that.
Yeah, that sell wave. And I was like, all right, time to enjoy the ride.
Take a shot, see how far you can ride it.
Yep.
Ride that dot to dot. Yeah, that's cool to me.
Put that alert on. But Let's play again.
Screen.
Okay, Duke. Can you see my screen? Can you see it?
EU sell, yeah, I'm thinking sales for EU, but
Yeah, my bad. Yeah, you good. You can see the screen.
Good. Welcome all to the BRICS view. Basically, this is the currency strength right here. So what I'm looking at is all the currencies using our indicator pertaining towards direction and momentum. So looking at this off the rip, USD strong. So that confluence with how we see EU selling, because we got a blue dot, as you can see, EMAs above the 200 cross. Now, of course, I'm looking at the hour. I look at Euro. We got a red dot. Now, it's above it, so we'll have to scale in lower to see, then see if it crosses below the zero. But look at JPY. Of course, JPY being weird, but blue is really red below the EMAs. So as you can see, we got this dumping. So I'd make that red, just so we know where we at. Blue, blue, I'll make you red, just so we can follow along with the pillars. CAD being just as strong as USD, blue dots all day. You know what? Instead of me doing this game, I'm just gonna say everything that's up. Ooh, GDP strong, finally broke above the 200 on the hour. Look like we might get a red, but it is until it isn't. It could just be floating. What else we have? AUD looking ugly, all that compression, but we got a red dot here. We'll make you red. And we got a red dot here. Look like it's about to be green, actually. Might be in a lower time frame. And then here, finally broke above. I'm not even going to count this red because I could clearly see you're above the EMAs hitting the 200. So actually, I'm not going to play that game. So here, I'd already be looking at EU or EJ long, EU short. EG, I'd be going to short. What else would I play with? Everything else. I like Chef. So if Chef's going up, who's going down? So Chef JPY. You know what? I need to stop playing around. I'm saying that off the top of my head when I could just be typing it right here. So y'all see the chat pop off in a minute. So let me see. EU. I like it short. That's what I'd be going for. GU, they're both going. So you have to look at structure when it comes to something like that.
it sounded like you cursed, like right when you said EU, it said bling.
Oh yeah. GJ, that's money because one's going up, one's going down. So GJ for the long. I like CAD JPY up, down. So CAD JPY. Oh, look at that. No, I mean, that's not beating. CAD JPY for the long. Look at AU. AU up, down, ride the wave, red dot. So AU, I like that. Short all day, every day. We do UJ. Look at U up, J. So UJ, I like that to be the longy long. I actually like NJ too, because I think you're going to be a dot to up. So NJ, long. GA, up, down. There you go. Look, that pay me. GA, short. Am I missing anything? Am I blind? What about ACAD? Let me see. AUD down, CAD up. ACAD. So LW, short, yes. ACAD. Oh, I found yours. Short. GJ for the long. Didn't I say that? Didn't I say that? Oh, yeah, I did. That was the first one. You got me scared. Now, mind you, these are all that I look. So now to verify these, I got to look at them, right? And then mind you, this is the long play in the hour. We could definitely, when we go to the, let's go 15. Feel good, right? 15 makes it feel better. So looking at this, you can see GDP, EMA cross above the zero line. Awesome. Look at Euro, shot up. Was it news? Made you shoot up? Maybe because of you? Yeah, shot up, but now you're testing the 200, still got that red dot. Will you go below or will you make a dot to shoot up? The world may never know. I mean, look, CAD, same thing, blue dot, maze, line up, same with USD, is what it is. JPY, look at the wave on down. Chef, as ugly as it may be, remember I said that red dot, look where it's hitting 200. Look like we're about to get a blue. Bet you if I go to the 5, make sure y'all remember. Wait, do this. Remember the 5. The FASA. NZD down, up, and I bet you you're gonna go down. Or you better, or you could shift. Ugh. Same thing with you. Look at that beautiful lightning bolts that we have. Give me my dot because you're still below. So I don't trust you till you break it. And really, I'm just that simple. And now I can go look at my follow GDP if it's yeah, I see you. But you see, look, you see what you see here? You got a sell wave below. We can zoom in because I gotta remember the 5. Euro long, peep MACD for strength for AUD. See, AUD, peep and MACD still below. Euro long, so you might be coming in with that dot on the 5. But remember, if you're gonna do that, you gotta make sure, where are we? Here. Where are we on now? Hurry up, pop up. Did I turn it off? What did I do? Go back. 15. Where my line disappeared? Oh, there it is. See, it's testing that 200, so it might show up. Could be what they call, what these people do, like this. So that's a playing here. Yeah. So I might be playing on that 786, but on the 5 got a blue dot. Bam. Ooh, okay. We could go ahead and look at EJ. I like that for a quick play. EJ. Look at all this blue. Come on, EMA cross. Bam. Buy wave. Buy wave. Buy wave. Buy wave. Up, 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 up. Boom. Looking at it on the minute. How y'all want to rock it? Y'all could be brave. Go long. What is this? This is crazy. It's too much. Maybe you want to do something like this. 15, but then knowing curve. And I'm like, well, you know, actually, maybe this right here. Or you could probably go for a set of order right here. Or you could actually say, well, I really like this one. One of those type of things. But you could also throw a penny in there, go for this. You know, say, listen, man, let me see, can I cuckoo you, get these pips with you, because I'm riding wave that should be coming, this 5-minute buy wave, which is that buy wave. Look, 1 hour dot, 1 hour blue dot, 15-minute red dot above the 0 line. And then now, finally got a 5, boom, blue dot, buy wave. Why not? That's what I say. But the emails, same view. Look what I always say, lightning bolts. So I kind of like to tackle that, you know, hopefully that it shoots up to the sky, something like that. But who am I, right? I'm just, you know, just an idea, just the thought pertaining towards that. I already made you ready. Okay, boom. I like them type ones. So okay, was I even looking at that pair? No, it just showed its pretty face, right? But GJ was also another pair we had a sex appeal from. See, gotta wait for that buy wave. See, it's always buy waves will save you in life. If they don't, get caught up. But back to where I was. GJ, another one. Bet you it's a type 1. Oh, look at that beautiful shoot up, shoot up, shoot up, shoot up, shoot up. Same play every day. Look like GDPs is going to pay all day for the continuation. Boom, 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 boom. Looking at the 5-minute, you missed your mark. This is why you have alerts here. I ain't trying to be anyone's feelings. I'm on this one. But what you could do is set another alert, waiting for add alert, GBP, information me. You want a buy wave up for it. You'd be like, oh, who knows when it might come? True. And for those who dying to get in, 1 minute. And then now you're waiting for another one to repeat itself. If you're feeling Gucci, oh, how silly of me. As you can see, I've added 2 MACDs here, right? Now you might be like, oh, I'm a little bit confused. And mind you, I want to make sure I test before I provide. But since this really ain't teaching moment, but all this is with the MACD settings we have, I could have it where if I uncheck it, it'll go whatever time frame I want. So for example, as you can see, this is the 5. But Stanley, this is on current. So it doesn't matter what this is because it's going to be on whatever current chart is. But let's say I go 1 minute, still 5-minute red dot. So I don't get caught up. And then now 5-minute blue dot. So I could look for my 1 minute entries. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully so. See you in class. So now with that being said, right? Remember, I like GJ Long. If you're a 1 minute person, you had this buy wave come here. Hey, I'm gonna go here. If you want it, if you really want to be sexy, you're like, listen, I'll wait for this red dot to end and wait for a blue dot to come in relationship towards it. Why? Because blue dot means buyers came in. Scalper life person could be here for it, for the down, because why am I looking to buy until they come in? Or at least, as Mr. Shinobi says, when the sellers go down below and now I get a blue dot, I might be interested for it. But, you know, there's 15 seconds, so I'm not really trying to have people in their feelings. But I would wait for another buy wave on the 1 minute or a blue dot below to come in so I can catch it. But no matter what, just like I wrote, I'm looking for a GJ Long. So for me, I'm looking for another entry. Why not? I like this. I keep my life easy. Tag it. If I could spell today, look at my hands. Tag it. Bag it. Let's go. Oop. That's that. Go back down to you. Hit that reset. Oh, what I do? Undo. There we go. Now, that was 1. That was
Or 2.
Or 2, right? EU was a EJ.
You had EJ, right?
I had EJ. Because I was looking at this one. I was like, well, maybe if it pushes up, we could go ahead and eat off EJ. But looking at the direction, how long JPY's been going down, I'm definitely long on EJ. I make money. Those who tag it, are you hurting? Are you still sitting there? Still think it's going to go up to that red dot. Not kind of fearful. Might have another entry pertaining towards it. Where are we going to next? What else? I'm gonna tag all C's, all JPYs. Look at this. Let's look at CJ, which is what I was saying. Uppity up, downity down. So when I want, same thing. Look at that. They see that? They all sexy. No headaches. All you needed was either a 1 minute or a 5 minute. I don't think you would have caught this today. Well, you would have early in thingamajig. So like for me, I didn't get you. So what am I sexy for is either alert, holler at me when you're ready, because since I missed that time frame, you're gonna come up again. 5 minute chance. But if I'm trying to eat today, doesn't hurt me. Hit that me, hit that buy wave, close. 1 minute chance. As long as kept strong. Create. See that? I don't even gotta look at you again. Because as long as this is just like it, it's uppity up. Good. Nice to see a red dot came in. Bam, bam. Still above on that 5 minute. See that blue dot? Don't get confused. And then now drop, continue. And where was I next? What was the next appetites? AU short, right? Was that someone else was looking at that too? Well, that was one of curve bets. So AU short. So I'll put you for that longity long. I'll be actually honest with you. Red dot here, blue dot, blue dot. So you don't want to stay 15 seconds. There we go. Pop. I'm gonna be that dude. Put it right here. It looks like Shinobi 10. If you really want to be cautious, this is buy wave that. Go below it. What about you, baby? Yes, you got red dot here. You ain't solidified yet. Because right here, you're playing. Boop, boop. That's still a fair shot. How many is that? Yeah. Yeah, respect me. Was that Cat J? Okay, good. Next. USDs. Ugh. I don't even want to say that. USDs. Ugh. Why is that? As long as you're still going up. Yes. What was AUD? Blue dot. Up, up. So, yep, AU short. Isn't this what you did, Shinobi? You did AU short. I don't want to repeat, but I ain't fighting that 1 hour. Below,
Yeah.
below, below. Look at that red dot, 5 minute, 1 minute. See, you got that blue. Now, what I see, this is actually sexy for that continuation. If I go 15 seconds, red dot, pow. What I say. So all I want is a sell wave to tag it because I'm not trying to get my feelings hurt. But looking at it, look like buyers might come in to push it up. So yeah, you're not sexy to me until it's USD. Because all I want is this, guys. Let's just play this out. Because why is he looking for a sell wave? No matter the time frame, rules apply. EMA cross below the zero line. So something like this, you can't get mad. You go here. Oh my God, it's not -2. But if you go here, look what we just do. Quick and easy. Yum, yum. So here, I would like the same thing. Right click, an alert. Yes, it's a 15 seconds, so you might go off a lot. But that's a quick eat. But there's news at something, right? 15.
Yeah, you got news at like 9 or 10 o'clock.
15-second meal. Yum. See, this is what saving. Look, blue dot, mama. Yeah. I'm about to give AJ long though. What was that? We got UJ long. I like the AJ long right now. Did I say AJ? I didn't say AJ.
Yeah, I think you said all the JPY pairs.
Yeah, but this is a bit cautious because of below. So it's a bit more structurally, but I guess I say that because quickly looking at it, blue dot, blue dot, blue dot, blue dot, blue dot. Look at that open. EMA up, EMA up. So I kind of like you because how weak you are. Like you about to see, please be mind, even though you see a red dot with JPY being ugly as it is, it's really a blue dot. It's the inverse with JPY, only with JPY. So it's about to get a red dot, which means you're about to tumble, which is why I said AJ, in which way I can see someone going for it. I'll leave it alone, but I like all the JPYs. But now we're going to pay attention to UJ. Same thing, people. Bam, 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 bam. Uppity up. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? For those who attend class, you should already know what to do. You should already know what it is. So looking at here, once again, buyers in place, buyers came, red dot pullback, buy wave, you go ahead, smart money entry, or you could go ahead and look for another buy wave to come in on the 1 minute, or if you can stomach, throw a penny in there with whatever stop loss of your choice. Kind of like this one more than this one. That's a keep me safe. But this one is a normal. While this one should be bam, buy wave. This is Shinobi, right? Maybe like here, be like, all right, right here, don't touch me. and then pay me. Where's 3? Come on, whatever. Bam, 3. Something like that might come into play. I don't like this though. I don't like you, boy. Oh snap. Hello. So I'll do a 1 minute buy wave on this one. That was a little bit risque, but I like where it's going. Maja, any questions? Any what I like more? USD strong. So news on USD, JPY, been weak. Thank you. Thank you. Assistance. Keep it coochie. Oh, look at you. Keep going. Shoot. Reset. So that was 1, 2, 3. Ooh. All right, quiet so long. So I got NU, let me move this to the side, but y'all see it. NU sell, NZ CAD sell, and check 200 because the NZD is allegedly short, and euros are allegedly long. Look at this. So it's telling me I'm going to peep the MACD and the currency strength to see if it's valid. In addition, these are 15 minutes alerts, well, primarily 15 minutes. And these are the ones I'm setting right now. I didn't set the 5s to be active. So with this news, I could easily push you to the side. Can you see? And say NU, 15-minute sell. That's why you came in. So is it applicable? Yes, it is. If someone says, I want to take the shot, I can't knock you, whether you go here for it, because if you look below the EMAs, below the EMAs, brick with a wick. Take all these lines off. And then what do you see? Impulse move, retracement, and what we're looking for? Continuation down, down. In addition, if we go NZD down, ooh, it wasn't crazy. Boop, told you. And USD, what I do? What about GCAD? I ain't even, 15 seconds. Hold up. That got me running around. Did I do GCAD already? Was I on GCAD? I didn't even write GCAD. But
No, you ain't hit that one yet.
GCAD, uppity up. Ooh, structure play. So you got to go ahead and look at the structure. See, you would have been, got me running around. GCAD says, ooh, I like this break of structure. So yeah, I mean, you see, I always want to work. GCAD, bop, you broke it. Hold up, you broke it. But what do you test? The 200, pull back, red dot. Bam, right? Now, with this is why I think we always, well, Shinobi was just talking about checking your time frames, all right? So now look, you would have, oh, it's going long. What the high time frame say? Boom, boom, sell wave. Look at the wrinkles, keep me honest, below, use a lie, and I see dropping on your future. So that's what I see for GCAD. Actually, CAD being strong as it is, I think it's almost a good differential. So yeah, shorty, probably have to do a 15-minute play where you're looking something like this. But that 200 though. But yep, I'll take it. CAD, fine. That's worth the squeeze. Brick with a wick. Yeah. I heard a dog. Shinobi. I know it is.
What you say?
Safi?
No, Safi not here.
I heard a dog. Shinobi. Yeah, GCAD. I see that short. I'll take it. Oh, time out. Rushing me. Yeah, you sell it sexy too. Short you. Red dot. Stop should be right there. Look at this. Easy. EMA down. I see that. Something like that, right? That's fair. That's fair game. Move. Do.
Got that red dot on the 15 coming in.
I know it is. Don't play with me, Shinobi. Why? Because still below, still strong. USD at 9. Ugh, I'm tired. Do so much. Do so much. Where am I at now? What am I looking at? That was AU. Boop. Cuckoo for you. And what else was I looking at? I was all over the place. So I did AU. I do UJ. I did do UJ. Boop, boop, boop. I did say NJ. Didn't I? Yes, I did. Up. Ooh, I want that sell. I want that sell wave first. Yes, red dot here, red dot here, red dot coming in. So that impulse move, you got to retrace and continue. So what I want is a pullback and clap. Even though you have a brick with a wick here, mouth open, seller's about to come in on that lower time frame. So for those looking for, we want that break to occur, or from a 1 minute perspective, wait till the sellers are done before you even look to come in for the buy. So here, once again, I want, and this is preference of choice. You see me doing 1 minute alerts. You could easily do a 5 minute. It's just a preference. I don't know I'm coming here saying like, oh, you always got to do one. It's because it's an hour class. I want to make sure you eat. So here, my wave on this. NZD is the JPY week. JPY week. NZD. Stronger. And I love talking to myself because who else can I trust? Hey. All right, that goes with that one. And then, see, that's what I gotta wait. Now I was on GA too, right? So GA should be long. GA, up. Look at that. We broke. Look at riding the EMA. Down. Ooh, that's a good buy. 15-minute buy wave or 15-second buy wave. Probably reacted off this smart money zone. Yeah, maybe. Oh, you know what I want. I'm not that brave. I know me. So I'd wait for that, which is a 1 minute probably. Yeah, I don't like this. See, even though that, nope. These 1 minute plays get my feelings. So I want maybe a 2 minute, maybe a 5. I see it. Yeah, I want a 5. You see, that's what I'm saying. This is where comfortability meets who am I? And for me, I'd rather wait for a 5 minute buy wave to feel good on this, to feel right. Because 15 minutes, you've been left me. I wasn't even up for you. So this be who I am. Put a 1 minute dot on EU. Look at you. See, you know what we're talking about.
Beautiful.
Who else am I? Anything else I was looking at? Did I say Aussie CAD? I think I just ran through everybody.
No, you ain't getting no AutoCAD.
I ain't do Aussie CAD.
Nah.
Look at Aussie CAD for the short. Yep, short. I mean, here, you could do it right here. I can see that. Because you got a dot. Work with it. So yeah, short. I see that.
Yeah, I'm in on AU right now personally.
As you should be.
You took that CAD. I mean, not CAD. That short.
Yeah, the short on AU.
Should be on AJ, AU, EU paying me. So look at that. Tumbleina.
Yeah, AU was nice. It was like a 5 pip stock, 4 pip stock.
Yep, look at that. Ooh, keep going. Bleed. You know what it's supposed to do. That's what I want to see. Beat that low. So.
But what helps?
CAD JPY.
What helps is that dashboard, man.
Who you telling?
I had got the 3-star on the AU that came in right before you were talking about it, and now it's had a 4-star.
4-star.
Well,
Aussie
I'm saying, it was
Aussie
at
Cat is a
3-star.
3-star. Aussie Cat a 3-star now.
Right. So Aussie Cat might have an opportunity to pull back and get an entry.
Oh, you got to alert for stuff. Look, I ain't even pay attention to go. Look at this. See, I've been making love to all these currencies. I ain't even look at this. So boom, down, Judy Brown. Because if USD is strong, what's that mean? So now if you're looking for an entry, you missed it already. So what you should do is probably 15-second it, wait for that blue dot to come in, which will give you that impulse up and then down. Because what happened? 5-minute bleeding. So yeah, I do that for the Goldie lovers. See, look at that blue dot about to come. So we got that pullback, but remember that 1 minute still a red dot. So all we're just looking to do is catch the wave. It should make a lower. Look at that dot. Bam, bam. I think NZD CAD is a short too. NZD CAD. Yes, it is. Bam, 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 bam. Come on, pull back, continue. Drop, 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 drop. Woo, I'm done. Such a busy day.
It's clean, bro.
I like the
Stuff is going.
I like the do that there too. But you look at G Chief. Chief is ugly. Oh, it should be going up. But up means down. Or you up. Oh, look at you. Sideways. Ooh, that was nasty. Ooh. Up. Ooh. That's cute. These look like equals. Chief. Got a nice little trend. Momentum there, though. Ow. But it's a right touch of look at that. Now see in this case, since I don't know about this, I look down. What does that say? EMA's downside. So am I catching this pull-up? Is that what your goal is, to catch the pull-up? Because for me it is until it isn't. And this being that, you see the impulse move, retracement, continuation, because we got a blue dot. So let's look at this time frame. This is the hour, right? Yep, this is the hour. So look at this. Give me that. And then here's my impulse move, retracement, blue dot. I'm about to get a red. Who am I? Rick with a wick. 1 minute. Yeah, I see the long. I see the long. Something like this. To break above. That's who you want to be. I can see that. I just am not. Red dot. Continuation down. Let me see the 5. Give me dot. I get a blue dot here. Yeah, Chef Bot. See that red dot? Look at it. See, I know what I'm talking about sometimes.
Sometimes.
Something like that. Maybe. This is the only thing that concerns me though, because that's why I said I don't like this whole rangy range, but it could be, okay, let me go into a regular trader. What they call this? They're doing something like this, and then doing something like that, and then you got something like this, but then curve might say, well, it's something like that. So then now it could be some type of signature smart money play, boom, or something like that. Does that curve like? It's like signature drop. So then shoot up.
It's a cheap pair, so I don't care.
That's a good slogan. Actually, I rock with that. Cheap pair, so I don't care. But
yeah, typically, you know, with the trap, it looks like a flag pattern. So yeah, most likely we'll get trapped, and then from there it'll probably shoot up.
I don't, something like that. Something like that.
I think the way you drawn is probably perfect.
So proud. But yeah, this is what I got for that. But all in all, I mean, listen. Hopefully y'all paid attention. Hopefully y'all caught some pips, at least from me. And let me show y'all. I'm gonna do this. I don't do this often, but since I'm here, I'm gonna do this. Let's let them know. This is what I do. Hold up. See, the trend is my friend. Me and Curve are frenemies. Family frenemies. But here you go. So you guys, everything I call out are things in which I also enter. So AZCAD, AJ, AU. I didn't do catchy. That was already. EU was in confidence on that one. But those are the pairs in which I stare. So enjoy life. Bricks is done. Super K, would you want you want anything you want to plug in?
It's only about 1 minute left. So we'll just leave it at that.
AZCAD North Chief. I got yeah. So with that being said, cuckoo, we make it do what it do. Ooh, that's that way looking sexy. I ain't even want to peep this right now. Shinobi.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
I
had some stuff going on. I had a cell wave.
15 seconds. There you go. I knew it. I knew you were there.
15 seconds.
I knew you were there sitting at me. So let that buy away. So now look at this. So before I dip, I'm gonna say this. So that means a 1 minute blue. No, still thingamajiggy. It's gonna come up and then come right back down because I want that dot. And then when that red dot comes in, I'm looking to sell it because we rocking a 1 minute dot. Now, I don't know what this news be freaking me out with USD pairs. So
Right.
I like being second place. Y'all know me. Second place, I stay safe. Want to be right, not wrong.
Yeah, I'm chilling away because I'm on 30. I'm still above my MACD. So I think it's gonna be that buy and then try to take the sell.
I like where it's sitting at though. Well, unless you want to test this.
I can see the move combo.
Impulse move continues. Maybe some fib-like level.
We still got about an hour before the real news come out. So
yeah, there might be impulse. Boop, boop.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
You know me, when it comes to these pairs, my stop loss real quick. I ain't taking my money. No, sir. Not me.
No, sir.
But any other inquiries in which you guys have, please feel free to reach out to 4WealthyMinds, become a registered member, in which we'll be able to assist you at any time possible. Indicators are available also at 4WealthyMinds, and if interested in the dashboard, available at OFX. This has been brought to you by Mr. Bricks as well as Shinobi with a guest appearance of Super K. He did not present his charts, so he's just a guest appearance. Relationship. If you're interested in referencing towards the currency pairs, please attend class, ask questions, and that's all, folks. Bricks out.
All right, y'all.
Yeah. Peace.
Peace, y'all. Be
Be
easy.
easy. Hit me if you need anything. Catch the wave.